This episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $5,400 per month simply watching YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to give an overview of what the original content creator suggests. I'm going to give you some numbers to see if this makes sense logically, and then I'm going to reveal how much I made with this method. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a look at this video. This video claims that we can make $5,400 per month simply watching YouTube videos. It claims it's a very stupid, simple, stupid, easy process, and we're gonna go over it. So what the original content creator claims we should do is simply go over to YouTube, find a video that's viral, particularly in the education niche. We are going to download the transcript, and then we are going to spin it in an article spinner, and then basically post it on a different website. So basically, what we're going to do, or what this content creator suggests that we do, is steal content. Just go to a viral video, steal the video contents, take the original content creator's hard work, we're going to spin it, and we're going to make money off of it. Very unethical, right off the bat. Very unethical, not something that I would recommend anybody to do. And kind of the ironic thing is, at the very beginning of this video, this person goes on like a minute rant about how people are trying to take their videos and they're working through litigation to sue them, and they're getting their videos taken down. So I thought it was kind of ironic in the very beginning that they would complain about people stealing their content and then proceed to go on and spend another 8 minutes telling you how to make money stealing other people's content. I got a chuckle out of that. Let me know if you did too. Anyway, so basically what they suggest is after you steal the content, you're going to put it in an article spinner, and then you're going to put it on a website called vocal.media. Now, vocal.media, if we take a look at our screen, gets 2.6 million page views per month. Now, remember that number, 2.660 million page views per month. That's going to be vitally important when we start crunching the numbers. So you're going to basically post it there, and you are going to get paid a certain amount of money for every view. Now, the interesting thing is the original content creator claims that we are going to make $3.08 per view, when in fact, if you actually crunch the numbers and you look at the back office, again, if we take a look at my screen here, you can see that you will make $3.80 per every 1,000 views. So instead of making $3.80, you're actually making 0.0038, which is a huge, significant difference. Now, you can elect to upgrade to Vocal Plus. With Vocal Plus, you got to pay $9.99 per month in order to potentially get paid out, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But 0.0038 versus what they said, I'll post a screenshot of what they say on their screen in order to make money. So anytime someone views, you are going to get paid 0.0038, not 3.8 or 0.038. You are getting paid less than half of a penny for each view. Really important to know and to understand. So if we continue on, in order to make $38, you actually need 10,000 views. Remember these numbers. I know this is number heavy, but these are important. So if you wanted to make $5,400, which is the claim in the original video, you would need to get 1,421,053 views. So you would need almost 1.5 million views in order to make the $5,400 if you're getting paid the free route. Now again, if we look at my screen here, this website only gets 2.6 million visitors per month. In order to make the $5,400 that this original content creator claims, you need over half of the traffic to come directly to your blog and read it. Now, according to SimilarWeb, each session duration is about 1:57, and people only visit 3 pages when they come. And as you can see here, the average views or average session time, the number of traffic is steadily going down, and you can see the countries that are actually participating. But again, in order to make the $5,400 that this original content creator claims you can make, you need half of the people to come to your channel, to come to your account and read an article. And not every view is created equal, which we can talk about in a moment. Let's say you decide to upgrade to the Vocal Plus. If you wanted to make $5,400 with Vocal Plus, you would only need 900,000 views to make the $5,400. So instead of needing half of the traffic, you need about a third of it. Do you think you can get a third of the traffic coming to your account? The answer logically is no. So right off the bat, this theory, this video, this content creator, the term I use loosely, is straight up lying to you. They're telling you to not steal their content while they're telling you to steal other people's content. They are telling you that it's easy and it's possible to make $5,400 when quite honestly, it's not probable at all. It's illogical because you either need 1/3 or half of the views to make that money. So this doesn't pass the logic test, quite honestly. It doesn't pass for a number of reasons. So now that we have all of that background stuff out of the way, how much money do you think I made? I can tell you that I've made absolutely nothing. And the other thing that bothers me about this is that this is a copy and paste of a similar video that I did 3 or 4 months ago and got the same result. I got 1 view. I made absolutely no money. I didn't even make the less than a penny that I was promised. And so this is not logical. This will not work. This method that this original content creator isn't doing it. They've never done it. They know that there is no money in doing this. So they're telling other people to do it, and they're making videos and they're making money themselves. So what I think you should do instead, if you truly want to make money with watching YouTube videos, I think there's a few things. You can do a reaction channel, which I've talked about before. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to create an updated version of a reaction channel or how to create a reaction channel. I think that you could watch a YouTube video and then try and implement whatever that video is talking about. For example, watch a woodworking video and try and implement or emulate whatever that person did. Heck, you could even start your own YouTube channel, testing out different theories. You could create your own YouTube channel starting off from scratch. There's so many better opportunities than what this original content creator said. So what I would do instead of blindly listening to this person, I'd come over to YouTube and I'd type in something that you're interested in. For example, let's say like how to say 101 in Spanish, for example. Look and see if people are creating content. You can see that this video right here has 2.7 thousand views, 3,000 subscribers. So yes, people are interested in it. And even if we look at this, it says that there is not a lot of competition. However, there is some people that are interested. You could start an entire YouTube channel teaching people how to say something. If you are interested in DIY house renovation, we'll say, you can take a look and see what other people are doing and create your own DIY channel. There's no reason why you can't be successful creating your own DIY channel. Once again, you can see the competition's fairly low, the volume is medium. So there are people that are interested in this, and you can see channels of all sizes are ranking. So if you are going to try and make money watching YouTube videos, you might as well watch the video and implement what you're seeing or compare what you're seeing and hearing versus the reality. That is the best way to make money watching YouTube videos. It's not ads, it's not stealing content from somebody else and putting it on vocal media. That is absolutely not going to work for you. You can make a lot of money on YouTube in every single niche, but you have to get started and you have to be consistent and persistent. One of the number one comments that I see on my channel is the only way to make money online is to talk about making money online. And the God's honest truth of that is the richest man in the world has yet to make a video on how to make money online. The richest man in the world is Jeff Bezos, and he has never made a video on how to make money online. He solved problems. He figured out a way to get products in the hands of customers quickly. If you can solve problems, you can make money online. Regardless of how you feel about Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk, there's millions of examples of people that are uber successful and they have never once told anybody how to make money online. So if you believe the only way to make money online is to tell people how to make money online, you are looking for an excuse not to be successful. It's as simple as that. I combined 2 rants into one today. This rant about how this original content creator is stealing your time from you and telling you to steal from other people. And 2, stop saying the only way to make money online is to tell people how to make money online, because there are literally thousands, hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands of people that are making money online and they have yet to make a video telling people how to make money online. Comment with your thoughts in the comment section below. If you disagree with me, let me know. If you truly believe the only way to make money online is to tell people how to make money online, let me know down in the description below. But don't do this video, don't try it. There's over 100,000 views in 4 months. Unfortunately, that means 100,000 people have tried this method and have wasted their time. They've lost their time. They've had their time stolen from you. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.